If you're wondering if there's a stereo speakers on POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to click on About Phone Information, and from here we'll be able to test the stereo speakers in detailed info and specifications. If I keep clicking on the kernel version right here, I will enter CIT, and then I'll be able to find the bottom speaker and top speaker. Now let's see if the sound is actually coming from the top speaker and the bottom speaker. First is bottom.
5, 6, 5.
So yep, the sound is coming from the bottom speaker, and now let's test the top one.
5, 7, 5.
So as you can see here, also the top speaker works fine, which confirms that this device does have the stereo speakers. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.